So, first things first, cut the mango, these squares here, and then dig it out with a spoon in a bowl. I'm also going to do the same thing with one nectarine. Just slice it and dice it. So here's an example of what it looks like. Then you take your spoon and you just scoop it out, little chunks like this. Put it in the bowl. Peel your nectarine. So that's a nectarine with the hull peeled off with a peeler. So I'm going to take the knife and I'm just going to dice it up. Okay. So I chopped my nectarine. It's just one medium-sized nectarine. And this is 3 nice-sized mangoes, but I only cut the sides. And I took this out after being cubed. I've got 1 cup of vanilla yogurt. And I'm going to use 2 cups of that. And then I've got my Almond Breeze almond milk. That's vanilla flavored. And then just a tiny bit of half a can of my pineapple juice. So I'm going to start adding those ingredients to my blender. In this case, a Ninja. And we will add a few ice cubes and we will have a smoothie. I'll be back. Alright, this is the finished product. I'm going to go ahead and pour it in a glass. Nice and thick. Outstanding. And there you have it. Mango smoothie. Thanks for watching. Doing Stuff with C-Lab.